4 फॉरेनरांक अरेस्ट केल्या जे शिवोले एक घर फोडलें आणि ते घरातले सगळ्यो चीज वस्तू तेंच्यांनी चोरून व्हेल्ल्यो आणि अंजुना पोलिसांनी कंप्लेंट केल्या उपरांत ट्रेस केले आणि ते फॉरेनर जे आसले ते 4य अरेस्ट केल्या तांकां 8 दिसांचो रिमांड दिला आणि फुडलें इन्वेस्टिगेशन अंजुना पुलीस करतात.
8 days police custody obtained from JMFC Mapsa. Number 1, Constantio Cicordici. Number 2, Ira Piravelli. Lura Piravelli. Number 3, Lasha Gurchilni. Number 4, Vizaki Tamilani. Altogether 4 Georgian nationals. All of them arrested. It is police custody. Okay. Further investigation is in progress. All property worth rupees 9 lakhs, gold and cash recovered. Obtaining the details, we have submitted their passport numbers. We are also verifying whether they come earlier to Goa.
How long they were in?
They were in Goa earlier. Also, we have verified some details. All these four came on 4th from Mumbai. They arrived in Mumbai. Thereafter, they came to Goa. On 8th, they came to Goa. This 4. And among 4, 2 earlier came in the year 2017.